how to connect your Instagram account to other social media platforms. Hi guys, let's get started. To do that, first open up the Instagram application and now go to your profile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and now from the menu that appears, simply tap on Settings. Once you land on the settings page, tap on Account and scroll down and select Sharing to other apps. Now here, as you can see, I have already connected my Instagram to my Facebook account. So in the same way, you could also connect your Facebook account to your Instagram by tapping on Facebook right here and following the instructions. And here's another option, that's WhatsApp. To connect WhatsApp, simply tap on WhatsApp and enter your WhatsApp ID. And once you enter the number, a verification code would be sent to that number, and simply enter the number and it would be connected. So yeah, this was a video on how to connect your Instagram account to other social media platforms. So I really hope this video is going to help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.